Peter, and today I'm playing Exogun 3D, and I'm doing a anti-hero rifle. I like buy this gun. I like having 7 like gems for this gun, and then I buy it. It's like a very cool gun. Okay, it's a lot. Oh, you got it too. Damn. Yes, my first kill. Okay. Why did they just do a laser? It's not good enough. The connection's not good enough. Let's see if we can take them, guys. I don't see nobody. I don't actually see nobody. Hey, Darian. Darian, everyone got the anti-hero rifle. Dude! Stop killing me!
You just playing a stage. That's me.
Playing music.
That's the ball.
Oh. Oh, that was cool. And I got someone behind him. That was the coolest thing. Are they behind monsters? Shoot, no. Not good at that. This is killing. It's a teenage leader. Okay. Got 50. 3 kills. Oh shoot. Shoot. Probably Savage is the one. But it's like very kind of cool that this gun people ever got. So like I need to be on like level 17 so I can upgrade it. It's like 65. It's like 65. I have no idea why I buy this gun, but I don't know. These are just the guns I got. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.